First of all, thank you for bringing up this webinar, ma'am. And Aditi ma'am and Ashika ma'am, my daughter's name are like Aditi and Adira. So like it's the double A, I call them. So you have actually the double A of the session now. And you have actually catered the differentiation in this webinar with all of us. Each one of us could understand what you have tried to put it. And yes, the production happened and you achieved the production now. So lovely. And I actually, my takeaway for the two, it's not only the different activities and as everybody said, the different terminologies, but I could understand the different, the waves of each one of us here, the way we want to, present ourselves. And if we are kind of an introvert or something, you try to bring out each one of us out and, out of the shell, and we could understand each one different people over here. So thanks for the platform, and we would love to learn more from you. And obviously a 3 hours learning, I don't know how much I can retain, keep it in my mind, though I have taken a little bit of notes, and I have stored it in my ppt also, saved it in my ppt also, in case if there is any doubt. I will surely love to get back to you and learn from you more.